Hello, I'm Masa. Do you know Hezma Liu? He made a post like this on X. I read. I saw posts on social media saying that Kyoto was in bad shape. So I quickly went out on patrol. Why do foreigners come to Japan? Throw trash everywhere and dirty these beautiful places before leaving. Even though it's Sunday, why must we Japanese people have to endure such crowding and discomfort on our own holidays? This situation is extremely bad. Foreigners with bad manners, please go home. So, from my point of view, I think the lack of trash bins is also a problem. Shouldn't it be more generally kind to teach people how to handle their trash properly and spared that awareness rather than just expecting them not to litter? When I look at this post, I can't help but think that some people might see it as just an excuse to discriminate.